All right, YouTube, Facebook. I'm doing an estimate for estimate demo for a wax removal for a hand scraped engineered hardwood floor, 5-inch plank, and you can see I got the emulsifier down. Look at that, guys. This is why you guys don't put any kind of quick shine, mop and glow, orange glow, all that stuff, because this does not bond your floors. Look at that. Yep, so she's gonna need a wax removal service, and then we're gonna quote her to clean and buff it and get it to the original state. But this is why you guys do not put a topical cleaner on your floor with any kind of acrylic or polymer, because it does not bond your floors. All right, guys, thanks for watching. All right, guys, look at these. Look at this beautiful floor right here. Look at that. That's a demo we did to remove the wax. You can see. And just a little tip, guys. This is topical wax, like a quick shine or orange glow or mop and glow. All these little scratches are not in the wood. It's actually in the polymer on top of the floors. See, the floor has a protection on them already called aluminum oxide. When you guys put the over-the-counter products like quick shine on top of the floors, it does not bond. In fact, it actually creates more residue and attracts dirt. That's why it looks darker than normal. So in here, as you can see, I revealed with my emulsifier that it just emulsified. And we can get it back to the original state. We can save your floors and get it where all those imperfections are gone, and do a clean and buff and get it to a natural state. So again, guys, this is why, see all that, guys? That's why you guys don't put wax on your floors. And most consumers don't know that. Like all this here, see all that, guys? You can actually see here too where some of that's wearing off. Yep, see that? And these are beautiful floors. These are beautiful hand scrape engineered floors. And they did call us because they saw they found us on Facebook and saw that we did this service. And look at that, guys. We're gonna remove all this stuff and get it back to the natural state. So, little tip, guys: do not use over-the-counter products. Only use a neutral cleaner, which is a 7 pH that doesn't attract residue. And do not put anything on your floors. Just get your floors cleaned and buffed, which we also provide that service as well. And you can't screen or recoat engineered floors or sand them, but you can clean and buff them and remove the wax. So that's gonna do it. Look at that, guys. These are beautiful hand scraped floors hidden behind a topical over-the-counter product like Quick Shine and making these floors look ugly. Well, we can save your floors by emulsifying and removing the wax, and then we can clean all this residue off and get to original state. So please reach out if you guys want a free estimate. We do charge $3 per square foot for the service, and that does include the clean and buff. All right, guys, thanks for watching.